So I want to share a song that I almost didn't get to share with you tonight. But thanks to my lovely ENFP girlfriend over here, who learns quick, she was able to help me recover the file because it had been corrupted somehow. So, thank you, baby.
Anytime in life.
So anyways, I'm going to show this to you. Pretty excited about it. I mean, I like it. All right. I like the damn song.
I like it too.
Right? Shouldn't that be enough, guys?
If you don't like it, you suck.
That's it. If you don't like it, it's because you're a bitch ass, trick ass,
Twat waffle.
hoe ass, bastard ass, twat waffle, some bitch.
You tell him, baby.
All right. Well, check this out, guys. Hope you like it. Chord's coming loud as hell. Anyway, so hopefully I didn't blow the damn speakers out of the phone, but right? Well, there you have it. It's currently unfinished, but it's coming along. So I'll keep you posted. Post it up when it's done. And if you like it, great. And if you don't, go fuck yourselves. Good night. Say good night, everybody.